Hi, boys and girls. Hope you had a great long weekend. Today is June 2nd and it's Tuesday. So let's talk about what we're going to do this morning. Sixes, you have some handwriting to do, quite a few pages. And you have a math review because on Thursday, both sixes and sevens, we're going to do a review of the whole year from our math book. Okay. And sevens, you have 2 pages of handwriting, 2 A to Z's, and some grammar pages. And then you have a really fun math worksheet, which is another review. So I hope that I see many of you at Zoom this morning early. And then if you have any further questions, we can go over them at our Zoom meeting. But I hope that you all have a great day of learning. Bye-bye.